My name is Shayla Brown, and I am the Instruction and Intervention Coordinator at Layfayette Elementary School in Long Beach, California. My main responsibility is to support the principal to ensure that all students are exposed to high quality instruction. And the way that we're able to accomplish that goal is through a lot of professional development, which I'm responsible to plan. In the professional development sessions with teachers, we work on curriculum planning, making sure that lessons are aligned to the standards, that they are highly engaged, and that teachers are able to take into consideration students' social and emotional learning into their lessons on a week-to-week basis. What springs to mind when I think about the importance of teacher leaders at a school is the notion of teacher efficacy. And not only do student outcomes improve when teachers collaborate and take joint responsibility for student learning, but also our job satisfaction increases. And we know that we can rely on each other. And so the leadership facet is important for that reason. And there are more teachers in a school building than principals. And generally speaking, teachers outlast a principal in a building. And so since we're here, we're working together, we're making sure that we're all on the same page and we're not waiting around for someone to tell us what to do. We are professionals and we know that the more we work together, the better outcomes will be for everyone. Teacher leaders are able to take on lots of roles at their school sites. For me this year, one project I'm proud of is a school beautification project that I'm working together with our booster club on to make the front of our school more welcoming and inviting for our families, staff, and our students. A second project that I'm working on is the Coatson Foundation grant. This is something that I've been very proud of. Our first, second, and third grade teachers are going to be doing a book study to learn how they can support students in their systems of strategic action as readers. So with that project, I'm going to be leading teachers working on the book study and implementing, like an action research project, implementing the practices and analyzing the results. So these are just a few of the ways that leadership on the school level is being placed in the hands of teachers. One thing that prepared me for my role at this school site is participation in the design thinking process. Long Beach called upon school leaders, including principals, vice principals, and many teachers to learn about the design thinking process, do research, a lot of professional reading about determining a problem of practice at our site and being able to design a solution with empathy in mind. So that process was one thing that prepared me for leadership roles at my school sites. Another opportunity that has been enormous in preparation for leadership is my participation in the Art of Teaching Fellowship with the Coatson Foundation. Coatson Foundation funded my study, my professional practice, my knowledge base, and I was able to learn and grow just tremendously in my career as a result of my participation. And Long Beach has provided that opportunity to probably dozens of teachers over the years. And to this day, the work that I've done with Coatson has continued to help me grow and evolve in my practices, my understandings, and the way that I'm able to lead teams.